At Easy Ice, we believe that top-notch manufacturing and innovative design are the foundations for bringing the joys of backyard skating to 1 million families across North America. The 60-minute backyard rink is a product unlike any the world has ever seen. We have pioneered a revolutionary 24-hour supply chain spanning the Northeast and Midwest to meet the growing demand for Easy Ice rinks. For each expertly designed component in every rink that we ship, manufacturing molds had to be designed, teams created, and production and shipping processes refined. We have worked very hard to create the best backyard rink experience in the world. Nothing makes me more proud than helping to create and support hundreds of jobs in manufacturing towns across the United States and Canada. The hallmark of our design team is to be inquisitive and to challenge any and all assumptions about how to manufacture the best backyard rink system. This focus transcends product design and encompasses our mission to proudly design and manufacture every Easy Ice rink right here in the USA.